Hello students, we are continuing with the chapter of microorganisms of class 8th. Okay, so today's topic is where do microorganisms found? Simply microorganisms found everywhere. We say, if you say that sir where everywhere, so it is found in air, in soil, cold regions, hot temperature deserts, okay, marshy areas, and in our body also, animal's body also. So where do microorganisms found? Microorganisms found everywhere, in air, soil, cold temperature, Arctic regions, cold temperature, desert where the temperature is high, marshy places, okay, and in also animal's body. So this is where the microorganisms found, okay. Now useful microorganisms. The first topic of our heading was microorganisms trend or flow. So if it is friend, it is useful to us. So how do the microorganisms useful to us? Let's talk about this. So the first topic is soil fertility. Soil fertility. Soil fertility. First is microorganisms is used in soil fertility. How does it increase the soil fertility? Soil fertility, and we can say that in cleaning the environment. Clean the environment. So, as the animal excrete waste or when the animals or plants die, the microorganisms convert it into manure or start eating that. Eat that. It eat the dead plants or animal's body or the waste or excreted by the animals. Start eating that, and then the microorganisms increase the fertility of the soil. So one thing, when it mix the excrete or when it convert the excrete into soil, okay, when it decompose the animal waste or the dead bodies of the animals, when it decompose that and mix it into the soil, this increase the fertility, okay. Second thing, the dead bodies of the animals or plants lying in the environment, so when they eat the dead bodies of the plants and animals, they are also cleaning the environment. You might have seen the dead bodies of the animals like cow or dog. If it is lying here and there, after a few days you will find that it will decompose. So how it is decomposing automatically? By its own. It is nothing but microorganisms start eating that. So it cleans the environment by eating the dead bodies of the animals, and when it decomposes the body, they mix it into the soil. So they increase the fertility of the soil also. Okay, this is how the microorganisms help in increasing the soil fertility and cleaning the environment. Okay, next topic is nitrogen fixation. So what is nitrogen fixation? Simply, the plants cannot take nitrogen. Plants cannot take nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. Though it is very helpful for the plants, or you can say it will be helpful for the plant growth of the plant. It is converted into protein. Protein helps to growth in the plant. Okay, so plant cannot take nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. So the bacteria, okay, called rhizobium helps to convert it, the nitrogen. So there is a process, atmospheric nitrogen, which the plants cannot take. There are two processes. One is lightning. Lightning process is not given in detail in your syllabus. And the second one is biological process. These are the two process, lightning process and biological process. In lightning simple I'm telling you, lightning में जो नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड्स होते हैं, नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड्स, ओके, नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड्स mixed with the, when there is a lightning you know there is a lightning and thunder, okay. So when there is a lightning, the nitrogen breakdowns into the nitrogen oxides, okay. Then nitrogen oxide react with water present in the atmosphere, H2O, okay, and then they make nitric acid, okay. This nitric acid comes with the rain and get mixed with the soil. In the soil there is calcium carbonate is present, and then this nitric acid is converted into simple compounds of nitrogen. Simple compounds of nitrogen means it get converted into nitrates, okay. So this nitrates, it is easily dissolved in the water which is present in the soil, okay. The water which is present in the soil and the moisture which is present in the soil, it gets dissolved in the water present in the soil, and then the root, the hairs of the root or the roots of the plants, okay, the roots of the plant absorb this nitrates, okay, along with the water and minerals, and then it is utilized in the growth of the plants. So this is lightning process. The details is not given in your book. Then also I have explained this. The second process is biological, okay. So what is biological process? Simple biological process में when atmospheric nitrogen is converted into simple nitrogenous compound, by the bacteria. जो हम बात कर रहे हैं यूजफुल माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म, here we are having the bacteria Rhizobium. Earlier we have discussed the example Rhizobium. So this nitrogenous compound, the nitrogen is converted into the simple nitrogenous compound by the Rhizobium bacteria, which live on the root nodules of the plant. This is the root of the plant, okay, and simply this is the nodes present in the root. So we say root nodules, okay. Here the bacteria lives, okay. This is the nodes, or you can say nodules, and here we are having the bacteria. Which bacteria? Rhizobium bacteria. So this Rhizobium bacteria convert the atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrogenous compound, and this nitrogenous compound is taken by the plants, okay, and then utilize that, okay. Second thing, when these plants is eaten by the animals, okay, and when the animals excrete or dead, when they are dead, then again the microorganism, which microorganism? The name of the microorganism is Pseudomonas. Pseudomonas. P for parrot. Pseudomonas. The microorganism known as Pseudomonas convert or eat this excrete or the dead plants or animals, and convert this nitrogenous compound, or you can say nitrates, into simple nitrogen, and give back to the environment, So this is what the continuous cycle. This is the continuous cycle. Nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen is utilized by the plants, and when plants dead or animals eat the plant, they excrete or dead. Then this nitrogenous compound is again comes to the atmosphere. This process is said to be denitrification. So the continuous cycle is what known as nitrogen cycle. Am I clear? In this way, the microorganisms are useful for the plants. Okay, this is the use of the microorganisms. Thank you.